Man's brother is one of some 150 million people affected by the Trump administration's travel ban. He's chosen to be identified for fear of permanently banning his sibling from the U.S.
He's lived a good life, done nothing wrong ever, and law-abiding, paying taxes, doing everything the right way, and now he's punished and he's stuck abroad just because he's from a certain country.
In the terms of Donald Trump's presidential proclamation issued in September of last year, this man's brother should be eligible for a waiver because he's previously been admitted to the U.S. for work. However, government statistics suggest only a fraction of thousands of waiver applications have been approved.
It feels very anti-American. The U.S. is supposed to be built on you can be whoever you want to be here. You can establish yourself regardless of where you come from, what your name is, what your religion is. And this is the exact opposite of this.
The current version of the travel ban affects 5 Muslim-majority countries: Libya, Somalia, Iran, Syria, and Yemen. There are also restrictions on North Korea and Venezuela, but they're not being tested at the court. The government's case is both the president's constitutional responsibility to administer foreign affairs and the president's congressional authority of aliens and national interest.
No hate, no fear.
This isn't the first version of the ban. Chaos at airports a week after Donald Trump. The Solicitor General will argue that this third version of the ban is based on a worldwide review of immigration vetting procedure. And it's not the judiciary's role to intercede in matters of national security. Opponents of the travel ban say the president doesn't have unconditional power. The law says immigrants cannot be denied entry to the U.S. based on race, sex, nationality, birthplace, or residence. In addition, the First Amendment of the Constitution prohibits religious discrimination.
Donald J. Trump is calling for a total and complete shutdown of Muslims entering the United States.
And that's the campaign promise that opponents say is unconstitutional and that the administration is trying to fulfill even as lower courts find it in violation of the law.
It's the government saying to the Supreme Court, ignore what the president says. Don't take anything he says seriously. Restrict your review to a tiny sliver of the evidence that's before you, and disregard the statements that have come out of the president's own mouth.
A majority of justices appear to signal